One day, there was a big snowstorm, and Thomas was going down the icy track. Then he pulled up. Then he was going fast, and then he went backwards to see Emily. And then he said, Emily said, "Thomas, you need to get your snowplow fitted." And then Thomas said, "I don't want to." So he set off. Then Duck was in his way, and then Thomas was slipping on the icy track. Duck was taking on water, and then Thomas spilled the snow out of Duck's car. Thomas is in a snowstorm, and he went into a snowdrift. And then, hopefully, all of the Gordon and Sir Handel and Emily and Marty came to help. Emily, I'm sorry. I'll use my snow plow next time there's a snow next time there's a snowy day.